Hey, what's up everybody? This is All Out with Mobile WizTech and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Tecno Bravo B1 wireless headphones. And I'll be jumping right in right after this. Before I get started, if you end up liking this content or find it useful, please make sure you go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also, if you want to continuously receive content like this, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe and the notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. Alright, so the Tecno Bravo B1 wireless headphones. Just some quick highlights. Alright, it has Bluetooth 5.0. 38 hours of playtime. The headphones are magnetic and they are rated IPX5. So in other words, sweat proof. All right, you can go out running with these, working out at the gym, and should be good to go. So let's have a quick look at the box. All right, let's see the back here. All right, and it's claiming deep bass. That will be put to the test. It has a built-in microphone so you can make phone calls and receive phone calls while wearing these. Now with that stated, let's go ahead and get this open. All right, let's slide this out. Pull this out of here really quick. All right, you get this warranty card. All right, cool. The charge cable for charging. And it also has, let's see how many pairs. 2 extra pairs of the ear hooks and tips in case the ones that come on there don't fit. And of course you have your manual. All right, so let's have a look at this. Again, that's that magnetic connection. So if you're wearing it around your neck, they won't dangle around as much since they'll be connected, and it can stay in place, and it makes it a little harder to lose them. Now what's cool about these headphones is this plastic that's here, these 2 plastic weights, if you may call it. So when it's resting on your neck, these would kind of hold it in place so it's not sliding lopsided. All right, so I think that's a cool addition that they added with this. All right, you have your volume rocker, play, pause. All right, I'm gonna brand it on the back, and this is your microphone as well. All right. So with that stated, what I'm going to do right now is just go ahead and get these set up. Don't forget to remove that film there, or a little plastic, as you can see. All right, get that off of there. Now to power this on, you just go ahead and press and hold the play button. And there you have it. You can see that light and it's ready to be paired. And then if you wanted to power it off, press and hold that play button for some time and it should flash. There you go. It's powered off. And you do get a voice prompt when it is powered on or connected or powered off. All right, so I had my test listen with the B1s, and I gotta say that they're decent. They're not bad. All right, you're not going to get that heavy bass that you would get with some of the other options that are out there, but they do not sound horrible. All right, you do get some bass in there, but it's not on the super punchy side. But if you're using these to work out, you're using these for casual listening, then they're a winner. I mean, again, you get that weight on both of these sides here. They're magnetic. It's rated IPX5. and it has a decent microphone. I made a couple phone calls on there, and I asked did I sound muffled or if I sound like I was in a tunnel, and they all said I sounded pretty clear. All right, so for the price of this, I think you're getting a good bargain. Right now, at the time of me making this video, they're costing $29.99, and there's even a $10 coupon to get $10 off. So altogether you will pay $19.99. So all in all, I think these are a bargain. Again, good features with this, and for your casual listening or taking this to the gym working out, you shouldn't have a problem. Now, if you're interested in this, I will have a link posted in the description section of this video. And this completes my review of the Tecno Bravo B1 wireless headphones. I thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.